In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very delicious beef liver recipe that takes absolutely no time and it's so good. So if you're a fan of liver, try out this recipe. So over here I have a few ingredients which you're going to find listed down in the description box, and I have a piece of liver here for 300 Kenya shillings. The first step is to remove the membrane, so I'm going to pick my liver and transfer to my chopping board, and you're going to pick a knife and place in between the membrane and the liver, just like that. Make an incision just like that, and then using my index finger and thumb finger, I'm going to hold on to the membrane, which is very slippery, and peel off the membrane just like that. Once I'm done on one side, I'm going to flip and repeat the same. Once done, this is how my liver is looking like. So the next step is to cut my liver into cubes. So I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces, just like that. Transfer to a bowl. And finish off cutting the rest. I'm almost finishing. So the reason I removed the membrane from the liver is because the liver makes the membrane makes the liver a little bit tough. So if you remove, it should give you a very nice texture and a soft liver. So I'm done here. So the next step is to add in some milk to my liver. You're going to add in about half a cup of milk to your liver. The reason being, the milk is going to help us remove the toxins from our liver. So I'm going to let this sit for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I've cleaned my liver and it's ready for cooking. So what you're going to do, you're going to place a pot or sufuria, pan, whatever you have, over medium heat. Add a little bit of cooking oil. Transfer my liver into the pan carefully. Then you're going to fry your liver in the cooking oil for around 2 to 4 minutes, or until the water completely dries off. This is how my liver is looking after frying, and it's smelling so awesome, but the liver is not yet cooked. So to my pan, I'm going to add in some red onions and green onions, garlic and ginger. Stir in. Cook until the onion is soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. So I decided to add some green onions because they have a lot of flavor, and I'm using the white part, so you can also use the green parts. Frying the liver also has added a lot of flavor, so it's going to be an awesome recipe. This is how your liver should be looking after around 1 minute. And my kitchen is smelling so good after frying the liver. So next I'm going to be adding in some spices together with the seasoning cube. Crush the seasoning cube and start to combine. This is how my liver is looking after 5 minutes of cooking with the spices. So also you notice that the pot has some fond on the bottom. That is also some immense flavor to our liver. So I'm going to add in tomatoes, tomato paste, start combine. Add in a third cup of water, stir and add a little bit of salt so that my liver can be fully seasoned. And then you're going to let the liver together with the tomatoes simmer on low for around 5 to 10 minutes or until the liver is cooked through. After a couple of minutes, this is how my beef liver is looking, and it's looking so delicious. You guys, just check this out. Yum. The sauce has thickened. The sauce is thick and the liver is cooked. So at this point, I'm going to add in some green capsicum. Stir in the green capsicum and cook the capsicum for around 1 to 2 minutes. I love mine crunchy, so I'm going to be cooking for around 1 minute. So my beef liver is looking so perfect and so delicious. So I'm going to be serving my liver over rice. You can also have beef liver with some chapati, ugali, and it's still going to be so delicious. Mine is ready, so I'm going to garnish with some coriander, with lots of coriander.